Okay, rock stars, it's cleaning day, and the microwave hasn't been cleaned in a while, so there's some built-on gunk. And to be honest with you, I'd already wiped the sides down before I decided to do a video. So look at this gunk. It's on there pretty good. It's sticky and it's great, caked on. I'm gonna give you a trick. Put a cup of water. Doesn't really matter how much, about a cup of water in a microwave safe mug. Put in 5-6 drops of lemon oil. Set your timer for about 3 minutes, maybe 3 minutes, 30 seconds. Start. Slap a cup of coffee while you wait, because you're gonna get to save all that elbow grease. Okay, another natural cleaning tip. I have this sink that just does not drain. It's a big farmhouse, metal sink. The corners do not drain, so food just gets stuck there. I'm gonna put 3 or 4 drops of lemon oil in there. And now I'm literally gonna use the coffee and the filter to clean the sink. Not quite done, but I want to rinse it for you. Rinse it out. I didn't get in that corner very good, but you guys, it works fabulously. And the timer just went off in the microwave. So I cleaned my sink. Got my microwave ready. I'm going to use a hot rag and get this out. I'm going to take a dry rag. You ready? See, the boiling water gives you steam, so you don't need a wet rag, you just need a dry rag. It just wipes all of that gunk off. Look at that. Now the hot lemon water from the microwave. Pour in the toilet, let it sit, do its job. Got a sink needing a little extra scrubbing power. Get the sink a little bit wet so we can make a paste. Not too much, just a little. We're gonna put in some baking powder. Soda, I think. Baking soda. That's what we got, baking soda. Again, we're going to put good old 4 or 5 drops of lemon oil. Take my rag, scrub away. See what it looks like when we rinse. Look at there. It smells divine because of the lemon. There's no chemicals because it's lemon oil and baking soda. And on a normal day, I would simply clean with the household cleaner. But this was caked on. Clean as a whistle.
You have watched our video, you've heard our stuff. Are you ready to get started with Young Living? If you are, please go to youngliving.com. There's a place there that says become a member. But first, contact the person that told you about Young Living. We want you to connect with the person that was connected with you. So go to that person, tell them that you're interested, then use their member number. And if there's no one that's talked to you about this, our member numbers, our links are listed in the description, and we will be glad to help you. So go do it. It's fun.